Just a quick disclaimer before we get into the video, I am not a trained professional nail technician, so if you're going to recreate this, please do so at your own risk.
Hey guys, my name is Justine and welcome to my first YouTube video on my first YouTube channel. I want to be a YouTuber since I was 14 years old. It has been my dream since I was little and I'm so excited. This is my first channel. I'm so excited about my first video. And on this video, we're going to be talking about phalanges. So I get a lot of questions about this from my friends and from people I meet and stuff, like where do I get my nails done? But I've actually done them myself at home, called press-on nails. So what made me decide to start doing press-on nails was because I'm actually allergic to gel nail polish and I can't wear it, which made me cry a lot when I first found out. So I decided, I'll just make the nails first and then glue them to my phalanges. I've been painting my own nails since I was 14 years old and I've never gotten them done at a salon ever before, and I don't plan to because one, it's like way cheaper just to do them at home, and two, I feel like I do a better job. Like I've seen a lot of my friends get their nails done and they look really dodgy, so that's why I just decided to do them myself. So today I'm going to show you how you can do them yourself at home, easy on a budget. And that's enough about me, so let's get into the video.
Okay, so for the first thing you're going to need is some blank nails with some nail glue. Next thing is an e-file drill, hand file, either one, an emery board, some alcohol pads or isopropyl alcohol, and some nail primer. For the nail art, you're going to need some rubber-based gel base coat or just regular base coat, some top coat, either gel or regular polish, up to you, some white polish or white gel, some crystal pixie, or you can use glitter if you don't have any, some nail gems or nail Swarovski crystals, which is what I use, a dotting tool, some nail art brushes, small defined tweezers, and caviar beads for design. Step 1 is nail prep. So first I'm going to be taking my nail clippers and just cutting all my nails down to the right size. Then I'm using my nail drill or a nail file, either one. I'm going to be shaping the nails to a coffin shape. To do this, I'm going down the sides first and then to the tip, making sure that the corners of the tip are as sharp as possible, as when you're wearing your nail, you're going to be blunting it as you wear it. Also, when you add nail polish on top, the edges will become more rounded, so you want to make sure it's as sharp as possible right now so that you've got more of a defined shape later on. Next, I'm taking my emery board and just smoothing down the sides, making sure there are no fray edges. Now I'm using my drill, or you can use your nail file, and I'm just scratching the front surface of the nail. The reason I'm doing this is so that there's more grip for when we paint our nails later. This will stop our nail polish from lifting from the nail. Now I'm changing from the mandrel bit to the cone bit. I'm going to be using this to scratch up the underneath side of the nail. The reason I'm doing this is so that when we glue the nail on later to our natural nails, it will be a lot more grip, as the glue will sink into the different scratches and will attach way better. I'm now taking some isopropyl alcohol and I'm going to be cleaning up the nail. We're doing this so that we can remove any hair or dust or anything like that to make the nail clean. I'm using a lint-free pad, or you can use your alcohol pads. Time to Optimus Prime. Priming the nails will make the nail polish stick better. Step 2 is base coat. I'm using my rubber-based gel by Charme. I'm painting one nail at a time. My technique for this is put a dot in the center of the nail and then push that dot down to the base of the nail and then drag it up. You want to use long, thin strokes for this. If you use too thick, then your nail will be all clumpy and get too thick, and the nail polish will peel off later. Using that lint-free cloth we used before and isopropyl alcohol, we're removing the tacky layer from that gel polish. Step 3 is the 2 white coats. Here I'm adding 2 thin layers of white gel polish for the base colour. You want to make sure these 2 layers are very thin, so then again, same with the base coat, the polish does not get too thick and clumpy and peel off later. If your polish is too thick, you will create bubbles. Nail design, the fun part. I'm putting some white polish on some tin foil. I'm using my thin brush, dipping it in that white polish in the tin foil and making short strokes along the edges of my nail. I'm framing the nail so that when I do the design on the inside, it looks a lot neater on the edges. Using my dotting tool, I'm making a couple of dots as my base, and then I'm using my thin brush to draw circles around those dots. You can do whatever design you like, but I just decided to do this pretty flower mandala design. Use your pinky to anchor your hand and have more control in your designing.
I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Never gonna give you up, I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up, I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give.
Get creative, adding these little dots gives the illusion that I put so much more effort into my nail art when I didn't actually.
Never gonna say goodbye, no.
For my design, each feature nail is going to be different, but I want to keep it as consistent as possible by still outlining each nail. With each design, I'm starting with dots to center the flower, then I draw the petals out from there.
Never gonna give you up, I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up, I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no.
Time to seal in your hard work with a shiny top coat. My favourite is Daily Charme with Chrome Effect.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between...
Step 5 is apply the crystal pixie, or you can use glitter. I'm using my Stay Put Jelly by Daily Charme and my Lusu gel that's also found on the Daily Charme website. Applying a thin coat all over the nail. Now take your crystal pixie and simply sprinkle it all over your uncured gel nail. Make sure you get those crystals all over the nail and then use your thin brush to clean that up and make sure you push all those beads back on there. I also use my finger to push some down as well.
We won't go back home today, until the very last hour.
Cure that, then add another Diamond Shine top coat. I add 2 so that they are definitely settled in.
We're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it.
Step 6 is applying the Swarovskis. Using an orange stick, I apply nail glue to the base of my nail. Using my tweezers, I apply the Swarovski crystals to the base of my nail along with my caviar beads. Step 7 is top coat. I apply 2 layers of gel top coat to all of my nails. Going over the gems and the caviar beads will ensure that they are encased into my nail. Don't go too thick over them though, otherwise they lose their shape. Cure your set in the lamp and you're done!
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe down the bottom if you want to become a part of the phalange fan. Please leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know how I can possibly improve my videos for the future. Also comment below if you would like me to teach you in the next video on how to apply your nails to your phalanges so that they can last up to 4 weeks. Hope you have a wonderful, fabulous, amazing, amazeballs day. And I'll see you next time. Bye.